Hi, I'm Chris with Avon Protection. I'm here with Adam. Today we're going to show you how to use the MITR sizing tool to size someone on a MITR. The first thing I'm going to do is look at the top section of this tool. This line needs to go to the top of the person's nose, so kind of right at the bridge of their nose there. And once that's in place, you're going to take a look at the bottom section of the tool and see where the bottom of their chin lines up in that sizing area. So I'm going to hold this up to his face, line right up there, and the bottom of his chin is right in the medium portion of the sizing tool. So I would pick a medium for him. If you are in between sizes, let's say he's right on the line between a medium and a large, I would select the larger size first, and then if that doesn't work, then drop down to the medium. So if you're a medium on this sizing tool, you're going to be medium for both our standard head harness and then also for our harness that attaches to a rail system, as shown here on our Team Wendy helmet. If you're a medium on one, you're a medium on the other.